Before this video starts, leave a like, comment down below. Wait, what are you gonna comment?
What we should do next time?
What we should do next time. Exactly. All right, comment down below, follow us. Did I say subscribe? Subscribe again. Unsubscribe and then subscribe again. Click that notification bell. If you guys haven't seen our Snapchats, we've been popping off lately. So click, take a screenshot of this and then add it on Snapchat. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook. Follow us on Icon if you don't follow us on Icon already. That's where we post all the super cool big projects that we've been working on. That's our production company. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another Busta-Bust or Nahhh. Today we got a very special episode. Today we are going over ND filters. So we went over ND filters on our mega unboxing episode. If you guys haven't seen that, check it out over here. ND filters are pretty much like sunglasses for your lenses. So if you're recording a video at 30 frames per second and you want a natural motion blur, you got to keep that 180 shutter rule. And that 180 shutter rule is multiplying your frames per second by 2, and that's your shutter speed that you should keep it at. So for example, if I'm shooting in 24 right now, I'm keeping it at around 50. The higher I go, the more jitter you see, the less motion blur you'll see. And then the lower you keep the shutter speed from that threshold number, the more blur you'll see. Let's say you want to keep that natural motion blur and you want to keep a nice super bulky background, you would have to have your aperture wide open, but then that means your whole image will be overexposed. And this is where this comes in. You slap this sucker onto your lens and then you just cut out extra light that you don't want, like that. Like I said, sunglasses. Ooh. Let's say you're going from a properly exposed scene to a very overexposed scene. Instead of touching the aperture and seeing that stepping down motion, you can always have one hand on the ND filter and just change it slowly till you get that proper exposure. So that's really nice for transitioning from place to place. Another benefit of an ND filter is the fact that it's another piece of glass in front of your expensive glass. Since these are a little bit on the expensive side, around $100, $200, you don't want to buy one for every single one of your lenses. Hence, I recommend Hence, does that make sense? Yeah. Hence why I recommend, right? Whatever. Hence, you get the point. I recommend getting these step-up rings. Since this is a 77mm thread ND filter and my Sigma 18-35 is a 72, I just pop this sucker on. And now, this is a 72 thread. Boom. So instead of buying a bunch of these for different lenses, I just have one big one. Usually I recommend getting the biggest one and then just stepping down, because these are fairly inexpensive, like $3-4 for a whole set of them. Yeah. Okay, maybe $10. I can't remember. All right, link in the description below. Yeah, but this specific step-up ring setup goes from 77 down to 49. So any lens between those ranges will work, and this has saved me from buying a brand new lens a billion times due to protection. So yeah,
Always gotta get protection.
Always gotta get protection, bro. You know how it be out here, these thotties.
Copy strike.
Alright guys, that is the ND filter video. Remember to subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. Screenshot that right over here. That's where we've been doing a lot of work lately. Follow us on Icon. That's where we've been posting a lot of our other big project videos. You guys might like it if you guys like Busta-Bust or Nahhh, where we take all this equipment that we have and actually put it to use. You guys could actually see that. A lot more behind the works coming, so stay tuned. Share, leave a like again. Yeah, have a good one.